Every day you are almost certain to hear a sad story on the negative impact coronavirus has had around the country. Well, believe it or not, there is or are some positive aspects to this coronavirus pandemic. Mamo Ali found what we could consider a silver lining in Marsabit County.
It is hard to see what positive aspect has come from the coronavirus pandemic in the country and the globe. But in the remote village of Loglogo, Marsabit County, the measures to curb the spread of the disease has reportedly led to the prevention of other diseases that have brought untold pain and loss of lives over the years. Just this April, a cholera outbreak in Ileret, the death of at least 25 people and 10 others affected by the disease. Alternatives for the treatment were few and far between. The cholera outbreak was a bigger concern here and along the shores of Lake Turkana and Omo Delta in Ethiopia. The news of COVID-19 and the threat has also reached here, but the immediate danger was cholera. In hindsight, the outbreak of coronavirus disease has somewhat reduced the spread and effects of cholera based on the heightened hygiene habits of locals.
Saisi kutoka wakati watu wamesikia na natafuta usafi, sisi mmekosa nini? Sasa hiyo diarrhea hakuna. Kutoka wakati sisi ametumia hiyo masabuni, hiyo usafi, hiyo kitu hakuna. Hajawahi kuonekana kwa hii siku karibu.
A trend the health workers here have tracked and confirmed.
The prevalence of diarrhea cases during this COVID-19 period has actually reduced from over 10 cases per month to 5 as from last month. And it has actually, because of frequent hand washing, even we have not noticed any cases of cholera around or any diarrhea-related diseases subsiding.
In Loglogo, for the past 1 year, at least 403 diarrhea cases have been recorded. Among the most affected are 216 children under the age of 5. Decreasing cases of patients with diarrhea is not the only positive effect from COVID-related hygiene measures.
You know, Marsabit is more prevalent with trachoma. Those diseases are actually reduced because of the frequent washing of face and even as they wash their
However,
their hands.
Despite the gains that can be attributed to coronavirus-related measures, there is the threat of a resurgence of the disease, like cholera, if things get back to normal. Being a semi-arid county, water is not in plenty in Marsabit, but the common invisible enemy of the COVID-19 has brought about an outpouring of initiatives. It is common knowledge that where there is a will, there is a way. But funny how it has taken the pandemic to fix some of the persistent problems in Marsabit.